Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing my January 2024 Petit Vour subscription. But before we do that, I'm actually not peeling like crazy today because they have been getting a little more strict about my prescription strength retinol routine. But it's one of the rare days I'm not peeling. It's newer, so hopefully I'll stop peeling altogether soon. Anyway, I was able to put on and play with a good bit of makeup today. So I've got 3 things I want to show you guys on my eyes. I don't remember if this was a Kinder Beauty box item or if this came in the last Petit Vour, but this is the Wander Beauty Double Date, and it is 2 eye products. So there is this really gold shimmery powder product, which I just put on the inner part of my eye. And then there is this shimmery but less shimmery than the gold one cream product, which I put on the lid over a different cream base that I had put all over the eye. So I think it looks really nice. I think this eye look turned out really pretty. I'm very pleased with it. I think this is a really nice little stack. This would be a good one to travel with too if you are a basic eye makeup person the way I am. So really liked that. On the lips, I have 2 items that I just got from Sephora. So I used the one-sized lip liner in Make It Known, and it went on really nice. It's super creamy. It's definitely one of the more comfortable lip liners I've ever used. And with that, I am wearing the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the color Berry Shimmer Glass. And I think this is gorgeous. I think it pairs with the eye really nicely. It looks really good with my hair in this state. I do like to usually fade it a little bit from this color, but I think this all looks really nice together. And I really like this. Also very comfortable to wear, and there's like a very light minty air to it. It's not like plumping feeling, but there's something like cooling to it. So I really like that, and that is all the products I wanted to show you. Now let's go ahead and dive into unboxing. So here's our card for the month. It's just got little lips on it, and it says Bossy? I don't know, maybe that's like kiss or smooch or something in another language. We are getting 4 items, and it does not look like any of them are a fragrance sample, so hallelujah. Let's go ahead and I will just grab one and get into it. So the first one is from Goldfaden MD, which admittedly I'm not the biggest fan of the brand, but I am still open to trying their products. This is the Solution Lip Therapy Restoring Balm. Where was this a couple weeks ago? Austin had such bad chapped lips, and I didn't have like a really nourishing lip balm to give him. Could have used this a few weeks ago, but let's open it up and check it out. So here's the tube. I mean, I always like their packaging. I like that green shade and the gold and the matte white tube. So I poured just a little bit out on my hand. It does feel really thick and really nourishing. So I'm definitely looking forward to giving this a shot. I might put this down in the living room because I didn't just finish my downstairs chapstick. Austin stole that one, so I think I'll replenish it with this one. So the Goldfaden MD Lip Therapy is a $38 value. That is the most expensive item in the box. So now I'm kind of second guessing the idea of just having it sitting out downstairs. I may need to gatekeep this one a little bit. This antioxidant-rich concentrated lip treatment revitalizes your lips with an enriched blend of powerful moisturizers and multi-active peptide complex, hyaluronic acid, fruit berry wax, orange oil, rose hip seed oil, sea buckthorn oil, and added vitamin E work together to nourish lips, smooth the appearance of fine lines, and instantly hydrate and plump lips for softer, smoother, fuller appearance. So that is a lot of promises. I'm really hoping it lives up to it because the winter has been hard on me, and I am definitely looking forward to trying this. The next item is something that I have had before, and I'm fairly certain they have sent me before, so that's a little bit disappointing. From the Seaweed Bath Co., this is the Firming Detox Cream with green coffee bean extract in the Awaken fragrance. I almost wish they would have sent their scrub instead, because Austin actually likes that one too. A lot of Austin mentioning in this video. He likes their, I think it's the Seaweed Bath Co. that has the bar with the exfoliating bits in it. He likes that too. So I've had this before. It's perfectly fine. This is a good size though. I'll probably put this with my travel toiletries. I feel like lotions I just really go through when I travel, so you can never have enough of these travel size ones. I'll definitely use it. It's not the most exciting thing since I have gotten it before. So the Seaweed Bath Co. Detox Firming Body Cream is a $5 value. This toning body cream is made with sustainably harvested Atlantic seaweed, nutrient-dense chlorella, and antioxidant-rich green coffee beans to deeply moisturize and detoxify for smoother, firmer skin. It was a perfectly okay lotion last time I used it. I'm sure it will be this time. The next item is from Evio Beauty. This is the Porefect Primer. It is a matte finish primer base. I don't usually prefer matte, but I am using a illuminator right now that I could add in with this and they could sort of work with each other, I guess. I enjoy trying Evio Beauty products. Some are great, some are not, but I just really like this brand. Something about it kind of speaks to me. I'm not sure why. And the packaging's always really nice. So let me read to you about this product. This is a $24 value. Priming that smooths imperfections and protects skin to help makeup last all day. Silicone free and packed with blends of oil and extracts to soothe the skin, minimize the appearance of pores, and reduce redness. So this is actually something I needed. I just finished a primer and I really like the idea of it smoothing imperfections and helping reduce redness, especially with the retinol I've been using. I've got a good bit of redness on my chin. I've got it all concealed right now, but it has been rough. It has been very, very rough. I mean, if you follow me on TikTok, you've seen any of my little outfit of the day videos, you'll see my chin has just been so red. So very much looking forward to this. The last item in today's box is from Dr. Botanicals. This is the CH Mask Charcoal Superfood Mattifying Face Mask. So I definitely don't need mattifying. In fact, this is probably just going to sit in the cabinet until summer when I'm a bit shinier. But I do love a mask. I love trying face masks. They're so much fun to me. That's why you hardly ever see masks in my empties besides sheet masks. I'm hopping from one to another, so it takes me a while to use them up because I just like trying them all and using them all. This one, I think I'm probably going to wait until it's warmer to use. I don't want anything mattifying this time of year. I am so dry to begin with. So it's kind of weird this came out in the drying time of year, but I mean, it is what it is. I am definitely going to use it, but not anytime soon, so I won't be able to report back on this, but I am excited about it. It's a $10 value. I think I've got like a turmeric one from the same brand that is pretty nice. Anyway, so this is a $10 value, like I said, a 10-minute facial treatment which aims to balance the oil on your skin and mattify by absorbing impurities with the help of kaolin. Smooth a thin layer onto skin after cleansing, leave for 5 to 10 minutes, and wash off with a wet towel or warm water. I do like this is a 5 to 10 minute mask. So many masks at 20 minutes, and I just get so bored. I'm like, what can I do in 20 minutes? I don't know, swap out the laundry, start reading a book. Like 20 minutes just feels like forever, especially because I do these at night, and it's like I don't want to get too into something, too invested in anything, but it's also not enough time to get done something small. I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point. I really appreciate that it's a quick one, a 5 to 10 minute one. So that's everything that came in this box. I would say I am very excited about these 3 products, and to be honest, if I had not received this previously, I'd probably be excited about this too. It's just that this is a repeat for me, which is kind of like, meh. I like these boxes to try new things and to experience new brands, and this is one that, especially if you are a longtime subscriber, you will have seen and tried before. That said, if we remove the fact that I've received it before, I am happy about it, because aside from the sample I just got from Mere Beauty from Sephora, I was totally out of travel size lotions, and I need those because your skin gets so dry when you travel. Anyway, I'm gonna give this box an A. I think this was a pretty solid box. Pretty good stuff. The only thing that I could say criticism wise, I wish this was at least in a scent I had never tried before. That would have at least added a new factor to it. And I kind of wish this was a moisturizing mask, given that it's January instead of a mattifying mask, but it is what it is. Maybe they just came out with this and it's new. Anyway, that's my opinions on this box. I would definitely love to know what you thought about it down in the comments below. And while you're down there, let me know, are there any subscriptions, newer vegan beauty or lifestyle subscriptions you would be interested in me checking out? I can't guarantee that I will, but as of February, this will be the only subscription I get as far as vegan goodies go. So that kind of puts us down to 2 regular channel videos a month with this and my empties. I mean, of course, I'm uploading my TikToks and Reels here as well, but if there are any other boxes you'd like me to check out, I'd definitely like to still have something going here on the channel to bulk it up and make it a little meatier here. The irony, make it a little meatier, and it's vegan boxes. Oh man, I'm really losing my mind. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm not all here today. I am not feeling great. I'm gonna go wipe off all this makeup and lay down. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Bye.